very fortunate at the moment to have in our midst Deputy Commissioner Shri Arpit Upadhyaya, IAS. So I will now invite our DC sir to kindly address the gathering. Please, sir.
The Honorable MLA NONGPOH, sir, respected MDCs, the Superintendent of Police, Shri Giri Prasad, and various esteemed members. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone on this joyous occasion of 30 years of Ri Bhoi district, and on this day, 4th June 1992, when the Ri Bhoi district was formed, and I would like to express my extreme honor, my profound gratitude that I have been given this opportunity to address the whole district on the occasion of 30th year of Ri Bhoi district. So when we were planning to organize this thing, Shadab, the president of Ri Bhoi Darbar, he came to me and he was very proactive, and he said that, sir, we want to organize this event, and for past 2-3 years because of the pandemic we have not been able to celebrate, and from that moment itself I would like I was so delighted that I have been given this opportunity. Thank you Shadab and Ri Bhoi Darbar that we are celebrating the 30th Foundation Day of Ri Bhoi. During the pandemic, it has been a very challenging period for the whole of humanity, the state of Meghalaya, and more so for the district Ri Bhoi, for being the entry point of the Shillong and East Khas Hills and the rest of the Meghalaya. And the district administration, with active participation and cooperation from the various Darbar Shnongs, from the Rangba Shnong and the members of community, we have been able to fight the pandemic. And now that we are here today, I would like to express our profound thankful. I am very thankful that we have been able to come up with the pandemic. So for the Ri Bhoi district, I have been here as during my training also for 4-5 months, and I realized that Ri Bhoi is the agricultural bowl of the Meghalaya. And as and when I am spending more time here, I have realized that it is not just the agriculture. There are so many important things. As like Bobby, our sports officer, he informed Ri Bhoi was a district when it comes to sports facilities and the sports persons. Being an aspirational district, in the past 2-3 years, we have been able to make tremendous improvements when it comes to health infrastructure, the education facilities, and the farmer linkages. The recent scheme by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya of forming various producer groups and providing incentives to each and individual farmer under the various producer groups. This shows the importance of the farmers in our society. And now that we are in developing so many proposals, we are in the pipeline, we are finalizing also, which pertains to the food processing, the processing of pineapples to increase the livelihood and the income of farmers. Along with these, for the past some time, when we come to any government scheme, we have been focusing on the linkages through SHGs to unite, to come to form as a grassroots foundation for all the activities, not just for the economic upliftment, but for the social change and the behavioral change. And for that, I would like to tell everyone that Ri Bhoi is performing very well as compared to other districts, and that we are almost about to reach the saturation when it comes to connecting each and every household, all the women under some SHGs, under the village organizations. Recently, when we have visits from the union ministers for the review of aspirational district program, they have praised the efforts by the government of Meghalaya and how our SHGs are functioning, how they are developing, and how they are becoming a model for the rest of the states to follow. All these factors, they give me my heart a lot of joy and pride that I have support that the district administration is working so well with so many people who are so proactive, so entrepreneurial, and they have so many ideas that it gives me sometimes it's challenging also that I have to fulfill so many aspirations and I have to do something, but with the active support from the government of Meghalaya, through Niti Aayog, from the government of India, I hope that we are able to take the districts to the highest possible levels, and that it should become a model for the rest of the country to follow. So on this note, I would like to conclude my speech, and again I would like to thank Ri Bhoi Darbar and all the people of Ri Bhoi district. Very happy Ri Bhoi Foundation Day, and my congratulations on this joyous occasion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Khoble Shibun.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing with us your kind words of encouragement and inspiration. And as citizen of the district, we are lucky enough to have two young and dynamic officers, SP and DC. I am sure that with their commitment and dedication in the services, we will witness the growth and development in various fields. Thank you, sir, once again. Te porlok akan ikapuar bumenta ngan khot yiki nongishim benta jongka cultural group jongka duya bakin sngobha banwan shni shikmat bakin ai kenika item ke jongki ngan khot yiki porlok ke jongi jongka duya cultural group bakin sngobha ban ai yaka item ke jongki kenika puar bumenta.
Ka Sngi Buram, Bakrau ya ka Ri Bhoi. A very happy Ri Bhoi Day for everyone present here, especially our Deputy Commissioner, SP, and all dignitaries present here. A very happy Ri Bhoi Day for all the people of Ri Bhoi. Nakaduya Cultural Group, Ngiwanra Hangi, Yaka Jingruai, Kentien Pira, Nakadonut, Jong Wei Nakinong Yalam, Hala Ibor Ibarit, Ubaladon Benta, Banwanra Yaka Ri Bhoi District, Kata Ide Ita ide lead Babu Marius Diliton Shadap ex-MDC jongka Umroy constituency. Hangni Yuanra, yaka kentien pira, kabadami nakadonot jongi, yaki kun kensai jongka Ri Bhoi. Kani ka item, ka cultural item jongi ka kerteng ka kukun kensai ka tem Ri Bhoi. Hangni penyo ya i Veronica Yarisa Duya, kum inong syat pliang ibara ya kadak kashin jong ka jingsuk jingkemen jingdap jingbiang jong ka Ri Bhoi district jongi, but Ya karwai kasiau. Kasur kadui tara ka jinglong sisur sidur jong kinong Ri Bhoi. Hang ni pinyo i bat sheba hapiwan hok duya iban tem ya kadui tara rengkat bat ni ki kemi ki ban riarwa ya kani ka jingrua ka balatau da i ex MDC jong ka umroi konstitusi ibabu Marius Dliton Shadap.